Good morning to everyone. In the nuclear physics, Rutherford scattering experiment tells that when the alpha particle incident on a nucleus split up into the two nuclei. He used a alpha particle from a natural radioactive elements. But to study a structure of the nucleus, interior of the nucleus, what are the constituents of the nucleus, it is a need to break a nucleus into its constituent particles by using a high energetic particle bombarding on it. And so the people thought that how the high energetic particle generates and used for nuclear reaction. There are a device which can accelerate the particle, produce a high energetic particle is called as accelerators. There are different types of accelerators: static accelerator, circular accelerator, as well as linear accelerators. The one type of circular accelerator is a cyclotron. Sometimes it is called as fixed frequency resonance accelerator. Its construction is so simple. It consists of two metal boxes D in shape called as Ds of cyclotron. There is small gap between the two Ds and that two Ds are kept into the evacuated chamber. A very high frequency oscillator is connected to the two Ds to apply the electric field, and that evacuated chamber is placed in a magnetic field. The basic principle of cyclotron is that with the help of the magnetic field, charged particle moves in a circular path, goes round and round. And with the help of the electric field, the charged particle accelerates, which increases its accelerating energy. It consists a positive ion source kept in between two gaps of the Ds. That's why it is called as positive ion cyclotron accelerator. See, the ion source are in between the two Ds. When the ion produced from the source, at that time, suppose D2 is at a negative potential, the charged particle will attract in a D's D in, and due to the magnetic field it moves in semicircular path. Meanwhile, the frequency of oscillator is adjusted such that the charged particle when it came into the gap between the two D's, the potential on two D's get altered and this D1 becomes at a negative potential. So the charged particle enter into a this D1 with a increasing their orbit radius, and hence continuously in the series of rotation the charged particle is accelerate and rotate in a higher orbit, and finally the high energetic charged particle is taken out from the D's by using a target with a very high negative potential is given to itself. And in this way, the simple cyclotron as an accelerator is used to generate a high energetic the particle which is used for the nuclear reactions to study the interior of nuclear